so you guys know, here's what I do, right? And if you guys, if you're like me and you still want to trade, right? Here's because I have to sit in front of this computer the rest of the day. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna watch you guys. So here's the thing. Once I make the lion's share of the money that I want to make for the day, and by the way, I usually just shoot for 500 to $1,000. I don't need any more than that, right? It's the rest is just like, yay. It doesn't matter. So what I try to do is once I get up to a good amount, like I am now, then I just go to shares. The reason I go to shares is because I will only lose a couple hundred per trade if it goes against me. Where if I'm in options, it can be a couple thousand. So in one bad options trade, I could wipe out all of my gains. But if I do it with shares, it would take me 20 bad trades in a row. Does that make sense? So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So once I'm really up right here, Amazon, you're going to get another pull, right? Amazon, you're going to get another pull here. Watch here. If this can break and hold below 124.50, you're going to get a nice pull. The reason I'm looking at it bearish, I'm in it. Hold on. The reason I'm in that, 21 cents, 0.22 cents. I'm in it now, 1,000 shares shorted it. The reason is because it came back so fast to this level, right? It should have took a long time before it came back down to 124.50. Because it was so short of amount of time to come here, that means people didn't want it, right? And there it goes. There's your payday, right? Now look at it. It's touching 124.19, scalpers. You see where it touched? I tell you what, though, the fact that it came right back down into this channel, that's bearish, right? It should not have come right back down in this channel, but you all made money off of those puts and or shorts. Yes? Amazon still pulling. There's your pull all the way back down to 124.19 again. Told you, very bearish, right?
Is there a level we're looking at below that .19?
124 will be the next because that's going to be the whole natural.
It seems heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy. It should not have come back here already. I just said that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should not. There you go.
There it is. Damn.
I told you 124.53. That's your short. There it is. Went all the way back down, broke below 124.19. And look at the bounce again off of Amazon. Scalpers, make your money every single time. Every single time it does this. Right here's your put. Right here's your stop. Right? Always have your stop. So if you're in a put, by the way, so let's say you bought a put here, right? This is your stop. And then down here, you have to watch this area. Why? It's a critical area. This is where I shed, right? That way, if it pops up against me, it's okay. And then I can dump the rest. Do you see how this works over and over and over? If you long it here, then your stop should be right below it, right? That way, minimal risk, right? There's always a risk, but we want to try to minimize our risk, right? And there's the pull again. If it stays below 124.19, stays, breaks, and holds, you're in a put or a short, and your stop will be just above it. Are we all doing that? There's your move. You see it staying? You see it staying down there? That's the move. Now I missed it. I was late, but that's the move right there. Come on, I can make more than that. I just don't want to be, there it goes. I'll take it. There's $100, $106. So that's the move that I told you guys about exactly to the penny, exactly how to do it. It looks like that. Yeah, look at this, Mark, looking at Tesla where we drew it before the market. It touched here, all of here, right here, and then it broke. And then I called the long, went up towards VWAP where I said, look for it to go back up to VWAP. Then it pulled back. Now it's pulling back up. So now it wants to go right back where it was, about this 271 range. And there we go again, right?